Alrighty, so part 2 of the saga continues. So we're back. We fixed, you remember the wiring we did the first part of the video, right? So that lasted about 2 days. Fixed it, everything worked fine. It's good to go. We did a bunch of errands. Came home yesterday, wouldn't start out in the driveway. So replaced the crank sensor, boom, it starts back up and runs fine. We did a bunch of errands yesterday, went all over the place. Came back this morning, cranks and doesn't start again. Like, what the heck? So went and got a connector kit. So like I said, we repaired it in the first part. We're gonna really repair it the right way this time. Replace the whole entire connector. So this is 70 bucks for this. It's crazy. So that said, if you got any tips or tricks for this, definitely let me know. And then, yeah, thanks for joining us, and we'll continue on. Oh, he does it. My beautiful zip tie. I want to cut my beautiful zip tie. It's such a good spot for a zip tie too. Sucks. I'll get another one up there though. Okay. Relatives, good shit. Cool. Well. Okay, electrical tape time. Zip tape. Need it. Holy crap, it's dark. Alright, here we go. So, if the issue is fixed, we should just crank her right up and... Nope. Huh. Interesting. So it must be this freaking wind. That's interesting. Nope, it's gotta be this wind. That sucks. Weird. Huh, interesting. Yeah, it's just cranking this up. Weird. Huh. Looks like the wind is mad. Interesting. Okay. Well, does not appear to be the crank sensor. At this point, we've fixed the crank sensor issue. She's angry still. I guess I'll get the scan tool out and double check it. Interesting. I did figure that for fixing it. Okay. Well, you know. Learn something with some. I'll have to come back to it. Huh. Thanks for joining us so far. So we'll come back to this. I'm gonna have to film a little bit more. We'll figure it out tomorrow, but it's too dark, as you can see. I keep doing anything tonight, so we'll see you in a little bit.